Have you ever had a time when you quit something, you spent money on something, or you ate something, and later that day, or perhaps even the next, you think, dang, I wish I would have finished that run. Or I wish I would have done another set, made another sales call. I wish I wouldn't have had the third piece of cake. Or I wish I spent more on my engagement ring. Today's thought's from Jesse Itzler. He's written a couple of great books, Living with a Seal, Living with Monks. And in there, he talks about, with the monks at least, he had thoughts about, I'm gonna leave early. And then he thought, what about tomorrow? What am I gonna feel like tomorrow? And he thought, I'm gonna feel like crap because I wasn't finished. I wanted to go, but I wasn't finished. I think we get caught up in that same thing in the now, and I love living presently, but we might think, gosh, I'm tired. I'm gonna stop. And then we quit early, only to have us think the next day, dang, I wish I would have hung in there. Friends, live now, remember tomorrow, and make today great. Pass it on.